only we have planned. You see, this is having a small problem with the display. Display board, this complete board. This on-off board switch itself having multiple problems.
Okay.
So it goes all over area and stops. So the what do you call the biomedical person, I asked this thing for testing.
Okay.
So once you bring that one, we will repair that. This is of course MP70.
And this one suction machine and this one.
This is suction.
Yeah, suction.
This is suction, that is warmer.
Warmer, yeah.
Patient warmer.
And this one is centrifuge.
This is a centrifuge. The defibrillator Sheila. Of course, this is working one.
Okay.
Plug it.
I think the follower is
About that. It's a working one. Of course, this is having a the design itself is having a problem. The energy select is from here. So when they touch, the selection is jumping.
Okay.
So the doctors don't want
But
to
the
use.
modern machines are having the digitalized panel, right? So once they touch it,
Yeah, but still doctors are prefer to go with because that steady, you know. If they select 100 joules, it should be 100 joules.
Okay.
For this kind of thing. It's a 5-6 minute, I think it's coming.
But nowadays we are having the small one. So is this an old one or?
That's the good one.
No, I mean, sir, this type of brand, the design is quite big, right?
Yeah, but you know, this is for hospitals, for steady reading, for continuous reading, they are using this. Those small ones are just only minor.
It's just like a clip, right?
Yeah. It's working. This is a pediatric probe, but it's working.
But anyways, did you take this one or from?
No, I took it for showing this.
But anyways, sir, I'm very happy that because I think biomedical engineering is offered by a few universities in Sri Lanka, but they don't have any facilities like this.
Still, I have a lot of machine in my godown.
Yeah, that's
I'll
right.
bring everything. The last month going to be fully.
Even for the University of Colombo, they also don't have enough facilities for practicals.
That's why I'm going to.
It's very good setup you have.
I'm going to have it, better than this now. The practical